10 Best Ways to Have an Attractive Personality. Hello viewers, welcome back to another interesting video from Brainy Facts. If people like you, they will tell you that you have a good personality. Everyone wants to be liked, and it's not just about appearances. You are your personality. It's how you feel, think, and act. With the amount of competition we face these days to have the best job, the best partner, and best friends, I decided to do some research and learn that your personality can be developed beyond childhood. You should undoubtedly work on your personality, but not merely for the sake of pleasing others. Make it a personal goal. In order to develop a strong personality, it is necessary to take care of and love oneself. Here are a few suggestions to help you immediately improve your personality. 1. Know yourself. Obviously, before you can begin developing something, you must first understand everything there is to know about it. The same may be said about your personality. To begin, one must evaluate oneself, evaluating their characteristics, strengths and flaws, and anything else that needs to be addressed. Don't be scared to embrace your flaws and learn as much about yourself as possible. 2. Improve your social skills. People with a friendly attitude are appealing. If you can't speak with others, no one will be able to discover anything about you. Our true selves are thought to be buried behind our tongues. The way we communicate is how others assess us. To build a healthy relationship with the people around you, you need to improve your social skills. Make good gestures, connect with everyone, and avoid giving off a bad feeling. Find out how individuals prefer to be handled. They want to listen to what they want to hear, and they don't want to listen to what they don't want to hear. Don't say anything that the other won't like. Only speak in terms that the other people can comprehend. People will perceive you as having a strong personality if you have good social skills. 3. Without saying anything, project who you are. You don't always have to say anything to establish your personality. To begin with, you must first know yourself and choose your values. After that, you may relax, feel safe, and rely on your own internal stability. The days when you are full of uncertainties and insecurities can be left behind. That confidence and security may be projected through your facial expressions, whether serious or amusing. When you're out meeting new people, remind yourself that you know who you are and what you believe in, and then let your body language and facial expressions mirror that. Relax as much as you can. It's far more difficult to act self-assured when you're not. It's all about letting yourself express it externally after you've gotten the inside right. It takes some time to get the hang of it, but the effort is definitely worth it. Charm is a term used to describe anything like this, allowing one's inner self-assurance to shine through. When you enter a place, talk with others, and introduce yourself to new individuals, you should exude that natural and real confidence. How long you glance in a direction or at someone is a subtle method of demonstrating to people you have a strong personality. People who are skeptical usually change their gaze from one direction to another. 4. Improve your listening skills. If you're a good listener, you may learn a lot from your surroundings. Being a good listener is a useful skill. You offer others value when you pay attention to them. They'll grow more interested in you and pay more attention to you. It encourages individuals to be more open with you and to share any insights they have with you. When someone pays attention to you, it makes you feel important. Being a good listener enables you to provide the same experience to others. Make an attempt to incorporate this personality trait into your own. 5. Increasing your interests. It is always advantageous to your mental health to pursue your passions. It will stimulate the intellect and aid in the development of new interests. It will also increase your attractiveness to others since you will constantly have something new to offer and discuss. It gives you more self-assurance and allows you to express your ideas with individuals who share your interests. You must be innovative and think beyond the box in order to succeed. 6. Have some fun. Yes, this is required. Boring and excessively serious folks do not attract anyone. It's off-putting to be the one who is always careful, always the naysayer, or who can't find the fun in a situation. Others appreciate being in the presence of someone who is upbeat and can make them laugh. President Abraham Lincoln gained the hearts of his cabinet and military commanders with his quick wit, lively storytelling, and self-deprecating temperament, even during the most stressful and disastrous periods of the Civil War. Other people will naturally gravitate towards you if you learn to bring some levity to your discourse. Before going to a party or other social event, think of exciting things that happened during the previous week. Have a few amusing stories ready to tell when the time comes. If you're not naturally hilarious or are more of a serious person, strive to be a supportive audience for people who are. 7. Practice your body language. Your body language is equally as crucial as your verbal communication abilities in determining your personality. It exposes a lot about you and helps people form accurate judgments about you. Everything you do, such as how you talk, move, sit, or eat, has an effect on the people around you, and having the right body language may make a huge difference in your personality. Maintain a straight back and shoulders when walking. Don't let your head droop. Maintain a comfortable posture while communicating and maintain constant eye contact. 8. Choose to be happy. When you're happy, others can sense it, and your happiness is contagious. Choose to be thankful, to look for the good in life rather than the bad, to find joy in the little things, and to maintain a smile on your face. Become more conscious of your internal critic and attempt to ignore the negative voice of your critic. Hobbies, books, exercise, employment, volunteering, or creative activities can all be used to divert your attention. Always have something nice going on in your life. Make the necessary changes to choose happiness and reflect it to others. 9. Always treat others with respect. Being polite is always in style and is highly appreciated and valued by everybody. Maintain a humble demeanor and welcome everyone with a smile. Never hesitate to assist or encourage your peers and make yourself accessible to them anytime they require it. Random acts of kindness can not only brighten someone's day, but they will also make you appear as a pleasant person. It'll also give your personality a boost of self-assurance. To your juniors and seniors alike, be humble and down to earth. 10. Dress confidently. Confidence may be radiated by dressing correctly for the occasion and maintaining a good posture. No matter what size you are, you can be confident in your own skin. Dress correctly, respect yourself and your physique, and carry yourself with pride, and others will be drawn to you. Remind yourself of the elements of your physique and personality that you enjoy if you're feeling self-conscious. Also keep in mind your health and the capabilities of your body. Everyone has imperfections and occasionally feels self-conscious about their appearance. You'll feel more confident and people will notice if you dress stylishly, carry your head high, and speak with assurance. Is it tough to maintain a pleasing attitude? Maybe. It does take time and effort. Maintaining an appealing personality needs far more work than simply being neutral, assuring that your personality is desirable and attractive to others. It takes work to maintain a pleasing physical look, and the same is true for your personality. Are you ready to achieve this? Type yes in the comments if you're ready. Well, that's all for today from Brainy Facts. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss our next interesting social psychology video. Thanks for watching.